Tune to this. 5 easy ways to incorporate Ed. Give him a little hats off on your soloing. I say 5, I'm gonna do as many as I wanna do. First one being, look, your low E dive bomb, which I use to this day. It's an alternative to a pick slide. Another good one is the rusty trusty G string. Just easy. My personal favorites to dive bomb are open G or open E. Another good one is like a pinch. So that's basically your G string, bend to, from 9, bend to 12. Take your bar and push. You gotta really try to find that sweet spot. Or you can do the ones where you use an open string. That's always a winner when you, let's say you're playing an E. Take 11, 12, 15. That type of vibe. Really doesn't matter the order of the notes. You can pull off in a slight depression of the whammy bar, or you know, kind of sounds like you're drunk, which is good if you're drunk. And obviously tapping is a big one. So if you're in the key of A, and that is, you pretty much think of it as this: A minor pentatonic, B string. You got 5, 8. You're going to use 12, 13, and 15. It just means that you're staying in the key of A minor. That's why it works. You use to get those, I like to call them outer space slides. I think Ed would probably use his pick. I use my finger, but whatever. If you want to do that tapping style in E minor, just move everything up to the E minor pentatonic area and apply the same intervals. So that was 12, 15, 19, 20, 22. Natural harmonics. Another signature Eddie whammy bar move is we'll take the G string and go down. You don't have to use that interval. You could do a weird one. And just instead of picking, dip. In a key. Something happens when you use your left hand in the whammy bar where it just kind of propels the string along to where you can just do massive lines with not picking at all. Tons of fun with that. Any sort of speed picking, so it doesn't really even matter what mode or scale you're using as long as you... Let's try diminished. And look, whenever you can chuck in a natural harmonic hither and thither, that'd be great. E major and A major. D major, G major, B major, tons of other ways to tip your hat to the king, but we'll stick with these now. All right, chat soon.